In this video, you are going to learn how to make this beautiful flowchart in Microsoft Word. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Before that, you need to know what is meant by a shape. This is the flow line shape. This is the terminal, process, decision, input, output, and others. To make the flowchart, go to Insert, go to Smart Art, go to Hierarchy, and in this time we are going to use organization chart and click on OK. You can click on this arrow sign. Let me delete this by pressing the backspace symbol. For the first shape, let me write here lamp doesn't work. Hit enter, then write here lamp plugged in. Now I have to press the tab to make it under this one. Again click on enter and write here yes, hit tab, and over here write no. Under the yes shape, hit enter, hit the tab button and write here bulb burned out, and under the no, hit the tab and write here plug-in lamp. Under the bulb burned out, add two more shape, yes, hit the tab and write here and no. Under yes, write here replace bulb and hit tab, and under no, write here repair lamp. Now my process is ready. Now we need to change the shape actually. If I want to change the font, click on over here, press Ctrl A, go to home, change the font to Laura and make it 10 points. Increase its size. You can make it in front of text so you can move it very easily. Now let me select this shape, go to format, go to change shape, go to flowchart and select this one. Now we need to select this one, go to format, go to change shape and select the decision. Now select this one and go to change shape and select the decision symbol. Now let me select this yes and no, go to change shape and select this one, and also select this 3 by hold down the Ctrl key. Go to format, go to change shape and select the flowchart alternate process. Now click on over here, go to Smart Art Design. You can change the color from here very easily. If you change the color individually, select the shape by hold down the Ctrl key and go to format, go to shape fill and select another fill color like this. Now we need to change this line. Hold down the Ctrl key and select all the lines. Go to shape outline, go to arrow and select this one. Now let me select these 4 shapes and reduce its size like this. Select this one, increase its size. Also select this one and increase its size. And if you want, you may increase the total size. So this is looking beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.